storage. Or no, it's out of storage. Ew. So I'm just getting another iPhone. Like, turn this one in. Okay. Oh, it's sesame seed paste. Okay. Lemon juice, garlic, cumin, and do I have cumin? Cumin. Cheddar. Oh God, what do you say? Jump. That's funny. Ground cinnamon. We cumin. At least I would think so. Pretty outrageous, but also like, I'm not surprised. We do have cumin. Yes. Okay, just a little bit. All right. All right. Why does this give like no measurements though? I just don't get it. Sorry, hold on. I'm trying to find how to do this. Okay, I found it. You will need, okay, okay, 4th cup fresh. No. How do I go back to what I was just on? Oh my God, I'm like grandma here. No, that was not the one. Bro, oh my God, I just freaking lost it. Hi, Toki, welcome in. Okay. Will be updated, try again later. Girl. Oh, I found it. Okay. All right, we're just gonna use this one. All right. One small garlic clove, mince, 2 tablespoons. Okay, yeah. Salt, 2. Okay, I found it. Sorry. What you need is the top shelf act. Oh. Boy, no way, boy. All right. So have that. I just use the pics. I told you, oh my God, why you being mean? Don't be mean. All right, I'm stirring the chickpeas. I left in there. Oh, happy New Year, Trippy J. Oh my gosh, welcome back, yo. So we're cooking up the garbanzo beans. This is so that the skin comes off. I had no idea that there was skin on them, genuinely. Oh. How to cook chickpeas. How to cook dried chickpeas. Okay. Okay. 1.5 to 2 hours, oh girl, no. Alright, nice little quick soak to a pot and cover. Wait, I am from Dallas. Where Dallas were you? Then put something into the water, bring it to a boil, turn off the heat, and then. Okay, so basically they're telling me that I'm doing this fucking wrong. I don't really know what tacos. What? We're trying on tops. That fits. Okay. I'm gonna put these back.